Oh my god, the sky looks so pretty. Today is the most beautiful day of the year. Actually, it's not really that great, but I hate this angle. Right now, I'm currently on my way to school. No, this isn't a school vlog, but it is going to be a vlog of my day because there isn't enough school today to vlog because I have early release. Yes! Today is the only early release day that we have of the semester and I get out at 11:30. I usually don't leave school until 4:15. So you guys don't even understand how much I appreciate early release days. Since I have an early release day, I thought that today is a day to, you know, celebrate. So I have a whole, you know, field day for my day today.
I don't wanna see you cry. I let myself get down in the foot. Just when it's shit easy, all you gotta do is grab it.
I haven't listened to this in a while. This is such a fun song. It gets you in the mood, you know what I mean?
So they say that you live and you look like, yeah, she don't mess with your head, oh yeah.
Okay, so I just got to school. I'm about to go inside now, so I might take my camera and vlog a little bit, but probably not. I don't know. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Hold on, let me get right. Let me get right. I'm looking good right now. Looking good right now, because every other day you been getting me wrong. You feel me?
Just chilling.
Get them things off the table. Get them things.
No, get them things off the table. Kitavius, how do you feel about Crocs?
Crocs?
Yeah. Yeah, me too. Miss Shaw. She's camera shy.
I'm not.
Me and my girl, Miss Shaw,
go
we just
clean.
chilling out here.
Did you write it down though? Save me. Save me. Save me.
Oh my god.
Oh, you may want to wear this here.
It's time to go? 2 minutes, all right.
So here's, I'm gonna say I thought so. You can do it. So you can do the opposite or you can do the different. Because you already wrote the other one.
Yeah, I already started.
Okay.
You have anything you want to say?
I love my friends so much. They bring me so much joy.
Oh, good. I really want to go to Starbucks. Can we leave? Yes. Hi, everyone. We have a free period, so we are going to Starbucks. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Sure, my name is Joe. Can I get you started with something?
Hi, Joe. Good filming.
Friday iced chai with a shot of espresso.
Yes.
What else can I get for you?
And then on a separate order, can I get...
Guess who's back in the house? Who's quick packed in the bell? Fun for 10 minutes down to 11 finals. Every gentleman sweating it's down across the board, no doubt. Body like, wow, pussy about to end this.
Ever since I left the city.
Listen, we just got back to school. And we seen Kitavius right on mine.
Chance, who would have ever knew?
Did I leave my silence?
What?
Oh, crap!
I just left my school and now I'm headed to Annabelle's house because we are gonna go shoot a little downtown area next to her house. And I am so freaking pissed right now because as I get out of my school, our school just lets out every single bus in the parking lot right out in front of me and we had to stop and wait for every single bus to depart. So in front of me right now, there is about, I don't know if you guys can see that. There is about like 200 buses all in front of me, so I'm stopping like every 5 seconds and we're really not getting anywhere. So it's making me really mad and impatient and I hate being behind buses. It's the worst thing. We are fueling the car right now. Okay, I'm with Annabelle now, and we're picking out our outfits for this shoot that we're gonna do. We're gonna go eat lunch though, because we're like starving right now.
So hungry.
Missed her. I haven't seen her in so long. Yes! Oh, wow. Oh my god. It's really not that hard. Just press it. You have to press the button. Yeah, there we go. Just try to make that.
I got it.
Alrighty. Should we go windows down? Yes, of course. Yes.
I can drink whiskey, red wine, champagne, all night. When I taste tequila, baby, I still see ya coming up.
It's so nice out today, you guys. Like, I'm so happy. The vlog doesn't know the content of this.
There's a guy right there.
Now we're headed to my car to get into outfit number 2. I don't really I'm not like in the picture mood, to be honest. I'm kind of just chilling. Yeah, we got some pictures. Annabelle has to shoot in a jacket, so we're gonna do that for her. We're gonna get some coffee. Why am I a YouTuber? We've been sitting here. We've just been chilling in my car, like dying laughing for the past hour. We haven't moved from my car. We were supposed to be changing back here. Oh my god, I look like a crazy. You are? You're right. Ooh, ay, ooh, ay, ooh. Good. That was really good.
Now we're gonna go, oh my god, we're literally going to this casual coffee place and I have a freaking neon
This
shirt
bad
on.
bitch off my brand right now because I'm not going to Dancing Goats, but this is the first time I've gone to a different coffee shop besides Dancing Goats, and I can't even explain how long. This is so weird. Okay, so my camera is on 3% right now, so I don't know how much footage I'm going to have. And we're about to change into our 3rd outfit, which I'm really excited for. I've been planning these pictures. Hey guys, so we're at Annabelle's house now. We've been here for a while. We're just chilling, editing.
Hi. We're trying to upload on, I'm trying to post on Instagram and Instagram is down.
Yeah, Instagram is down. We don't know why. I'm not posting anything right now, but I'm editing all the pictures. I'm gonna probably spend the night at her house tonight. I know it's a school night, but I'm just gonna go to school in the morning. All right, talk to you guys later.